Alright guys, so today we have a day off here in Bismo, so I thought I would take my bike for a little ride alone. That way is going to Geiranger. I went there a week ago on my hike trip, so I'm not going to go that way. I rather want to go to Jotunheimen. But I also went there, but I feel like it's a much better road. I know that the Geiranger is a bit famous and everything, but I rather want to go to Jotunheimen and around that area. So today is going to be a video about that area, where I just film a couple clips there, so you guys can have a look at that area. So yeah, not so much for today actually, so it's gonna be a pretty chill episode. But I'll film the transit or the trip to Jotunheimen, not all the way, but a bit of the trip, so hopefully we'll get some good footage. It's also really nice not to have my luggage with me, so yeah, if you're planning a road trip, I mean, I really enjoy taking off my luggage, putting it somewhere, so I got more a better feeling of the bike when I ride around. So yeah, I got my backpack with me though, to have some drinks or some food with me, because this is gonna be like a 3-hour ride or something. But yeah, definitely get something. Gets a little better when you don't have all the luggage with you. Also today is not so hot, so I changed the ND filter to an ND8, so hopefully the footage is gonna be just as good compared with the weather, because if I have too much shade on, then it's just gonna be too dark. So hopefully all the footage turns out to be good. I really hope so, so you guys can get some good videos. And for those who wonder how it works out for me with this chin mount and the media mod, I really think it works out great. I mean, it's easy to get to the charging ports, even though my camera is angled in the position I want it to be. It's easy to plug in the microphone too, so I really hope this setup is satisfying for you guys, and you get a nice video with good audio and yeah, and good footage, of course. Really works out great for me, so that's definitely something I can recommend. Also, the ND filters works. They are a little bit tough to take off to start with, but I think once you get to use them a bit more, taking them on and off occasionally, I think the mechanism that locks them into place kind of loosens up a bit. That's just my take on it. I don't know for sure, but I've heard people said that, so hopefully it's going to be the case for me too. But they are a little bit tight in the start to start off with, but I got the ND16 off, and I got an ND8 on now, so it's a bit cloudy, so hopefully it's the right choice. But yeah, I still got about an hour or something before I really get to the start of the small roads. This is just a main road, so I'll cut the video till I get to that. Maybe a little clip before or two, maybe, if there's something nice to see, but it's just main road before the small road start. So yeah, I don't want to film so much of that, because it's basically just like this. It's not really that interesting, but hopefully the last time I was in Jotunheimen on these small roads, I saw a moose with my brother, so hopefully I could get a sneak peek on a moose, or if it got close, could be kind of nice. Hopefully it just doesn't run out on the road in front of me. I don't want that, but to see a moose could be kind of nice. So let's see what what those roads gonna bring us. Alright guys, I just got to the town where we came from yesterday. There's a lot of people in town, a lot of tourists. So yeah, instead of taking the first exit in the roundabout, we're gonna take the second and go towards Jotunheimen and hopefully see some nice nature and some good roads. When you ride on road 15, you want to be riding up on this road to get to Jotunheimen. Right here. So yeah, let's see what these roads gonna bring. Alright guys, we got to some of the funny roads here on my way to Jotunheimen. I think the place is called Jotunheimen. It's where you take a boat to walk to the other place where you're going to be walking, the Bismo hike trail. It should be a pretty nice view from the fjord, or it is. I've been there, so but I don't know about today when it's so cloudy, but we'll have a see at it once we get there. But these roads are really nice and twisty, so yeah, I think I'll just put in some clips where I ride here, because there's not really much to talk about. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty hard for me to get started on this YouTube motovlogging, because I just kind of have to get used to talking while I ride, and you know, if I don't have something to talk about, I mean, I might as well just put in some clips. I think you're better off with that. Alright guys, we're starting to approach Jotunheimen National Park. You can see around here there's big mountains with snow and everything. So yeah, it's not so far till we get to Jotunheimen, or Jotunheimen, I think it's called. Can't remember. But yeah, beautiful place. Alright guys, we got to Jotunheimen National Park. Just about to drive down to the fjord where you can have a nice look. There's also a cafe or something. If you want to walk the Bismo hiking trail, you gotta park around here and take the shuttle bus down here. Short-term parking is down here, so yeah, hopefully I can find a spot to chill before I ride my way back. But this is a really nice place. Definitely consider visiting that. Alright guys, we got to Jotunheimen. This is where everybody takes the boat to the other end to walk the hike. You can see the shuttle buses here too. A lot of parked vehicles down here, so it's not every time you can get a parking spot around here, but I think I'll just find a chill spot or something. Wow, this is amazing. Beautiful place. think I'm just gonna chill around here. Alright guys, I stopped to get some food and enjoy the view. Would you look at this? You really want to consider visiting this place. So for now I'm gonna head on home, and yeah, it's just the same way. So I don't know how much effort I'm gonna be putting into that. I might put in some clips, but that's gonna be it for this video, and thank you for watching. Follow along on our trip follow along in the rest of the episodes to yeah, to see where we go. I really look forward to get to the Atlantic Ocean Road, I think it's called, where you drive over these a lot of these bridges. So looking forward to that. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment what you want to see on the channel. I love to get inputs. I'm trying to do my best, and again, I'm new to this motovlogging, so yeah, just had to watch out for those people. So yeah, bear with me with that. Hopefully it's going to be better the more I do it. You see guys, this is what you're going to be watching out for on these roads. These sheeps don't care at all.